Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you were new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. Of course, y'all know we jump into the video. So I'm starting off with my shimmer lights. Of course, I have a 613 blonde unit. All the details will be listed down in my description box below. And this is a ombre 613, so it goes from this really nice, pretty, kind of honey brown color to like a really bright yellow blonde. So I'm using the shimmer lights shampoo and conditioner just to pretty much tone up the hair, get as much of that yellow tone out without completely going like bleach white, because I actually have plans for this hair. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be doing in this video, and then definitely make sure that you turn on your post notifications. That way you get to see the color transformation that I eventually do. So yeah, so first things first, as you guys can see, I did already go ahead and kind of let that the wig sit in that purple mixture. It's just shampoo, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the conditioner, except this time I'm going to allow the hair to actually sit a little bit longer. In the shampoo, I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then in the conditioner, I allowed it to sit for about 10. And this was mostly just to go ahead and kind of moisturize the hair. You guys can already see how those yellow tones have gently been removed out of the hair. And then I did go back with my own conditioner, what is it, the coconut milk one, of course, and I did go ahead and go through, allow that to sit on the hair for an additional 5 minutes, and then of course I've rinsed it out. So that's just the wig prep straight out of the gate. So if you are not already, make sure to go over and follow me on Instagram so that you can kind of get a deeper look into my life, go over like some pics and get a few reels every now and then. So of course I wanted to go ahead and style up the hair. So I'm actually taking my Bio Silk. This is just like a light hair oil, really nice when you're going to be doing like curls or straightening out the hair. Of course, this is blonde hair, so it can tend to look a little bit more on the dry side. I am going to go over this with my Kenra flat iron spray. I forgot to do it on this first piece, but I do it throughout the rest of the hair. And I'm literally taking just a 2-inch flat iron. You guys can do this with a 1-inch. Of course, the 2-inch just kind of speeds up the process a little bit. I'm going for like a really nice, soft, loose curl, and so you guys will see by the end of this video, I freaking look like Goldilocks. His hair is so pretty, so full, thick, and of course I did go ahead and kind of lightly tweeze out the knots if you guys are curious about that. I do have a full tutorial showing you how to like prep the wig, install the wig, do the baby hair, like all that good stuff. I just posted it, I believe, last week, so should only be a couple of videos down. I'll go ahead and link it into my description box also, just so you guys get a quick look at that if you are a beginner, because I know you guys feel like these wigs are so tough to install. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty challenging, but I'm really confident that you'll be able to kind of get the hang of it too, at least the laying it down part. Now the tweezing, obviously that can take some work, but for the most part, as long as you have the hair set, it's not frizzy, it's, you know, polished, you guys, you'll be fine. You don't have to literally give a scalp every single time, but as long as the hair is nicely placed, nicely mannered, you'll get away with it. So anyway, I'm just going to continue to curl the hair, and then I will hop back in once we're ready to install and kind of style it on my head. guys, so this is the final look at the hair, of course, on the mannequin head, but I'm going to go ahead and install it on mine, of course. So let's jump right into it. So as you guys can see, I already have on my new wig cap. Typically, I don't like to wear them just because I find that the alcohol that you need to even lay them down in the different products just kind of gets a little dry on your head. So be mindful of that. Definitely don't wear this for like weeks on end. I'll probably say max 3 days and then take it out. And so, of course, like I said, I have the video already showing you how to, like, in detail, step by step. I didn't even speed that video up, how to lay down the wig. So definitely make sure to check it out if you are having trouble with that. This is more so just to kind of show you what it is that I did to this unit, how I got it to lay properly, and yeah, I was in love. Now, I did have to go ahead and kind of brighten up the part, so I used a lighter foundation, way lighter than my skin tone, more so of like a highlight color. So yep, and then of course I'm just taking a little bit of the Bio Silk just to again go through the curls and make sure that everything is uniform. The hair was definitely giving me like tease vibes, like teased hair that was kind of blown out. It was really, really pretty. I did not get a ton of shedding. You know, typically with the 613 hair, the hair just kind of sheds a lot unnecessarily. In this case, it wasn't doing that so far. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted because, like I said, I'm going to be transforming this unit and actually doing another color. So stick around for the remaining of this video where I kind of show you a few different hairstyles, a couple looks. If you guys are already following me on Instagram, you got a sneak peek at the hairstyle before I actually posted it. So definitely leave any comments or questions down below. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite? Is it the side part, middle part, the half up, half down? Let me know. And also, let me know what colors you guys would also like to see. I did a poll on one of my other videos during the preview, and you guys said that you wanted to see like an auburn kind of ginger color. So we'll see. Stay tuned. But leave any other comments down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye, babies.